Squarespace website CEO tutorial: how to optimize Squarespace website for search. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we optimize one of our websites for the search engine. Basically it's not that hard, so let's get started. I have this set right up here. So this is our dashboard, basically our personal cabinet or something like this. So let's click on more and let's go to settings, and we'll start from this page here. Basically we have a lot of stuff here, but let's click on home, and this is our managing page. We can manage all the features from this page here. Firstly, let's go to marketing and we'll open SEO appearance folder. And here we are. As you can see, the Squarespace provides us the opportunity to find their SEO checklist. And let's click on it to open and to figure it out what do they recommend us to do. And after that, I will show you how to perform every single step here. So firstly, I suggest you to read it from the beginning till the end. And as you can see, the first thing we are suggesting is just add site information, add a title, add a site description, add a SEO description, check your page and title format, and so on. And also they suggest to change the design option, add a browser icon, add a social sharing images, create a custom for or full page. So you need to understand that every single element on your website, image with alternative text or text, helps, for example, Google to optimize it for SEO. Also, we can add the domain and URL setup and so on. So all the things we are going to do are important, and step by step we can easily create the Square website for the SEO. So let's go back, and here we are. If we'll go to SEO appearance, we can find a lot of stuff. If you'll go down, we can find the home page here, where we can add the SEO title format. We need to add the format. The title appears in browser tabs and search and engine results. So we need to add something here. So let it be for example, if you're going to create a portfolio for us, we need to write helper man, let it be helper man portfolio or something like this. And also we need to add the site description for SEO. In this case, I'm going to use ChatGPT to write. So we're going to write small description for SEO on my website called like this. So in a few seconds it will generate us a huge article, or maybe even small article for us. So as you can see, it's right like this. We can simply copy and then just go back to our description and we can paste. It should be between 50 and 300, less than 300 characters. Let it be like this. So we'll just wait for a little and everything is done. So this is the first step we need to do, is just to add the description. And as you can see, it was successfully added. So now we can just simply click on save. And now it's a little bit more optimized as for search. So we can go back to marketing and go back to home. The next step we are going to do is just to go to design, and from this page here we need to change the browser icon. So the browser icon is the stuff which appears near the in the folder name. So we need to add a favorite. We can add it upload from our computer, or we can select them from library. And as you can see, we can upload it from file. Let's go to downloads maybe, and we'll try to find something here. Let it be like this, for example, and it should be in a small size. Maybe this one is not that good. Yeah, I think it's good. So we can just simply click on save, and after that this is the next step we can do. Let's go back to design, and from this page I also suggest you to create a 404 page error to make it more suitable, so we can easily change the text here, add some images and so on. So it also helps to organize our SEO. And from this page, basically, we can easily organize every single page, like lock screen, screen page, browse, change the browse icon here, and so on. So this is really important if you want to make it easier to find our website. And let's go to pages. The next step we need to do is just to manage our pages, for example, for wedding and so on. And so it looks like this. Let's click on settings here and let's go to SEO. And from this page, we can find the SEO area, like search engine optimization allows you to improve your ranking in search results. Use these features. So search results will preview this stuff here where we can edit web SEO settings. So let's click on it here. And as you can see, we are coming to this page. So let's go back, click on home and go to pages once more, go to wedding. And in general, we need to add more like customized page title, navigation title, URL slug, and so on. So I suggest you to add like maybe navigation title look not only wedding, or like maybe in my case, let it be like helper months wedding or something like this. So it also helps to optimize every single like mention of your name or something like this can help to optimize it for the search. And what is really interesting, we need to go to editor, and from this page we need to edit all of the text from our templates. So if you are going, for example, to use like them for the photographer portfolio or something like this, we need to write text which are about this stuff, so about our team. So if they are related, it will be easier for search engines to understand what's going on inside the website, and it helps to show the results as a result in a search. So this is a way of how can we easily optimize. So optimize every single part and also add the alternative text. So let's click on edit here. We can go to link, and as you can see, there is like image alt text. So we can easily add the describe our image to improve accessibility and SEO. As you can see, SEO right up here. So we can write something like nature with mountains, like a beautiful landscape and so on, if it's related with our website theme. So basically this is the main features we can easily use. So if we'll go back to the SEO checklist, we can find a little bit more steps, so you can easily try to do them by your own. This checklist is pretty good, so I suggest you to use it and to fill all the trick and tips about this. So this is a way of how can we optimize our Squarespace website. Hope guys this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.